In this video we are going to discuss about how to fix an app that has been blocked for your protection. Let's start. Here we can see that an administrator has blocked you from running this app. Press Windows key and R together, and type regedit. Expand your local machine. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand current version. Expand policies. Select system. Then change Enable Lua value of data from 1 to 0. Restart the computer to turn off user account control. Now our computer is restarted and we are going to install application again. Yes, now we can install this application. Hope this video is helpful for everyone. Thank you for watching, and definitely do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about technology.